What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your GoPro if it don't charge or come on. So like you see, it's plugged up right now. It's plugged up. The power is on. You can see the light is on that little thing right there. I don't know if you could tell. Yeah, you could tell. It's on. That light is on. Alright, so if your GoPro won't turn on and it won't charge, because when you plug it in, it's supposed to be charging, right? It's plugged in and the yellow light is supposed to come on right there. And it's not. If I press this, it won't come on. This happened to me the other day for the first time, and then I was like reading and stuff, and they was talking about take this SD card out and then take the battery out. But this is what you do. Alright, so you take the back off, right? You take the battery out because it won't come on. You press the buttons, then press it again. Press it. It won't come on. So you take the battery out. Let me put this down. Take the battery out. And then you plug your charger up to the wall, right? This is how you get it to come on. So I don't know if you gotta take the SD card out, but you plug it up and then you just boom, plug it up with the battery out. Take the battery out and then plug it up, and then turn it on. Oh, this is awkward. Maybe you gotta maybe you do have to take the SD card out. Let me see. Take the little memory card out. Micro SD. Oh, this is awkward, you guys. This is very awkward. You plug it up, like I said. I had to come back because it wasn't working. So I'm gonna see if it works this time. And you see, it comes on. And then after you cut it on, you see it say it's charging. I never seen that before. No SD. But then you plug your battery back in. So you take the battery and you put it back in. It's like open heart surgery. Oh, and then it's on. No SD. I'm gonna put my SD back in. I don't think I had to take my SD out in the first place, but I'm gonna put it back in. You can unplug it now. You see, and it's still on. Plug the little micro SD. But oh, it went off for some reason. Hopefully it comes back. So my SD is in there, and it should work functionally right now. And it works fine now. So that's how you fix your GoPro Hero 3.